In today's video, I'm going to talk about hiring freelancers, best practices for your job servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV and welcome back to another episode of Q&A Friday. So recently I have received a lot of questions about job servicing. So today's questions is all about how to hire freelancers and what are the best practices to hire a freelancer. So this week's question is by Melvin Tan and he has several questions on job servicing and how can we hire the best freelancer. So without further ado, let's jump right into the question number 1. What should you look for in a freelancer? 90% of the time, I only hire my freelancers through Fiverr.com. So I have 4 steps in choosing my freelancer. So my step number 1 is to look at the Fiverr's level system. So each Fiverr seller will have their very own level, and this is given by Fiverr based on their previous job done. So my criteria is to look at only sellers with at least a level 2 and above. So I will not hire those sellers that have a level 0 or level 1. Step number 2 will be to look at their ratings, and I will only choose those with 5-star review. My step number 3 will be interview. So I will interview the Fiverr seller once I have done the first step and the second step. Through the interview process, I will get to know the freelancer better, and also I will determine whether this freelancer is suitable to take up my job. And my final step number 4, I will request for some samples that this freelancer have done previously. And now to the question number 2. How do you ensure he hands in on time? Every single gig on Fiverr will have the delivery time stated on their services. With this function, it is very easy for me to buffer my own clients. Example, for this basic video editing services, it is stated there that the number of days for delivery will be 4 days. So if I were to sell this service, I will not put it like 2 days or 3 days delivery. So I will put at least a 4 days delivery. And another tip I have to ensure that my freelancers hand the project on time is I will ensure the freelancer commit to a certain time before they even start work. And this can be done during your interview process, which is your step number 3. Now to the question number 3. Which countries of freelancers do you recommend? So generally, there are 10 countries with the most freelancers, and they are US, UK, Brazil, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, Ukraine, Russia, and Serbia. US and UK usually charge higher for their freelancing jobs, whereas the other 8 countries have lower rates. So it's very much depends on your needs. For job servicing business, we definitely need to look at the cost because we want to find high quality but low cost type of freelancers. No matter what type of freelancers you are looking for, you still need to go through the 4-step system that I've mentioned previously in order for you to choose the right freelancer. Another thing you need to consider before choosing which country of freelancers that you want to engage is the type of services that they are good at. For example, Ukraine is well known for their IT services. Philippines are well known for their virtual assistants. Russia is well known for their marketing communications, and Serbia are famous for their developers and programmers. I have been working with freelancers for the past 7 years, and that's how I have developed these guidelines that I've mentioned today. Working with freelancers have proven to be very helpful throughout all my businesses. So I need to emphasize that you need to build a good relationship with the freelancers, especially right now. These freelancers are also my supplier for my job servicing business, and this is also one of the reasons how I managed to make 5-figure income from job servicing business alone. So I hope these hiring freelancers best practices are helpful for your job servicing business. Many of you have requested me to make more videos on job servicing business and are very interested to learn how to build a successful job servicing business. I have recently launched the Ultimate Job Servicing course. If you are interested to know more about this course, I will leave a link down in the description box below. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. Please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.